Hi, this is John with One Lens 2, and welcome to the Theodore Roosevelt Dam in Arizona, USA. Today, I'd like to show you how to go from this view of great blue heron birds building a nest on the dam to this view using the Nikon COOLPIX P1000 super zoom camera. Construction of the Roosevelt Dam was completed in 1911. The dam was originally built with sandstone blocks, but as part of an expansion and renovation project which ended in 1996, the dam was resurfaced with concrete. The dam is now 357 feet or 109 meters tall. This picture of the other side of the dam was taken in 1940. Back in the day, there was a bridge, a road you could drive across, and this cool tower. The picture was taken during an extreme drought, so you can see the rows and rows of individually placed stone blocks. Because Roosevelt Lake was also at a low level when I visited the dam in late 2021, you can still see some of the old sandstone blocks. Okay, so let's look for our great blue heron friends that are taking up residence at the dam. This picture, taken at the 35mm equivalent of a 24mm focal length, shows us a good view of the dam holding back the water, but we can't see the birds at this distance. Can we see them at 50mm? Nope. In fact, a few dozen people stopped by this viewing spot while I was there, and no one seemed to notice that there were large birds on the dam. I think we'll need some P1000 super zooming to get a close-up view of the birds. I'm really going to have to work with these birds on posing for the camera. And here we are at the P1000's maximum focal length of 3000mm. It looks like I got the bird's wing in focus, but unfortunately not its head. The resolution of the pictures that the P1000 takes is higher than this 4K video, so I had to scale down the pictures in order to fit them on the screen. If I expand the picture to its full size, we can get an even closer view. Blue herons start building their nests with twigs and branches like these. And they apparently stop now and again for a little courtship display like this. Aww. Whoops, I was not ready with the camera when one of the great blue herons took flight. And wow, following birds in flight while zoomed in is really hard. Okay, we've caught up with our flying friend as it heads over to the shoreline to pick up some more building materials. One of the things that I really like about the Nikon P1000 is that we can get a really close view of wildlife, but stay far away so we don't bother them. Without a super zoom camera, it would be almost impossible to see this mostly gray bird amongst the gray rocks at this distance. Well, there you have it. How to get a close-up view of our fine feathered friends when they're really far away. Amazing.